Hello, this is Rob with CTM Unlimited Auctions. I've got a very special car for you today. This is a 2004 Mercedes-Benz CLK55 AMG Brabus Edition. That is a mouthful. Woo! Okay, so this is going to go through our auction February 13th at 1 p.m. Merchandise at 11 o'clock. Automotive at 1 p.m. Let's talk about this car. So the Brabus Edition is kind of like what Celine or like Shelby. These are like secondary manufacturers that do performance vehicles. So they get them from Mercedes, and they go ahead and build on top of already an awesome car, which is the CLK55 AMG. So body's in really nice shape. I love silver on Mercedes. It's just so classy, looks so nice. Front fascia looks good. It's got the fog lights down below. Really super nice. It's got Brabus wheels. It does have a little bit of road rash on the wheels, but plenty of rubber on them. And the actual Brabus wheels, it's got the sill plates that are Brabus. It's got the engine. Lots of, this is not a clone by any means. It even has the plate that shows that it's a Brabus edition. Once again, coming to the back, CLK55 Brabus, super nice car. Body's in really nice condition. I'm really excited about this one. These cars, look them up and look at how rare these are here in the United States. You don't see these cars come up available for sale, nothing, and we've got one. So the doors are in nice shape. You do have obviously your power seats on your door here. You got your window locks, controls, all that good stuff. Seats are in super nice shape. You do have the AMG badging on the seats, bolstered really well. I drove this car home last night, had to because it's a fun car. Says Brabus on the seals here. Automatic transmission, super nice car. Does have a sunroof. Back seats look really nice, and I thought I spotted the Brabus pads back there. I did. The seat, the floor mats. So let's go ahead and get in. So, and I think this plate goes to it. It's just that this is not a standard vehicle from Mercedes. This does have extra maintenance because this is a Brabus edition. But really super nice place to be. The seats feel absolutely incredible. I feel bolstered in. Really a super nice place to be. And there's a million adjustments. Dash is in really nice shape. Really just a good looking car. So let's go ahead, and I believe we're at a little over 90,000. This thing fires right up and sounds so good. So let's go through the dash real quick. So it does have 95,106 miles. It does have a check engine light, and like every Mercedes-Benz, the SRS light, and you use it, I don't know why. SRS light is on every single time. So let's go through. It does. Okay, there we go. So I don't see anything. There is a check engine light. You're more than welcome to come down and use a code reader to see what that is. I've been driving this around, and it just drives so nice. It's incredible. So I'm not sure why that check engine light here. This car has lots of power. Just a really freaking cool vehicle to be in. Really an absolute pleasure. This is one of my dream cars. Definitely on my bucket list. I didn't think I'd see like a Brabus in person, but this is definitely a special treat for me anyways, putting my hands on this. Like I said, I've driven this around. I drove this to our other location and back. Drives super superb. Just this thing rips, and it just calms down. It's like a normal car. Brakes feel good. Transmission feels good to me. Just a nice, just really super quick, Mercedes sports car. It is an absolute blast to drive. I love this thing. So come out and take a look at this vehicle. It's going to go through our auction January 13th at 1 p.m. Merchandise at 11 o'clock. You can always preview Tuesday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. For merchandise and vehicles. This thing is super nice. You could bid online, you could bid in person. There's going to be like 180 cars going through this auction, and this one I just had to put my hands on just because it was available to me, and I recognized it immediately what this car is. So do your research on this car. It is incredible. This is not going to be, you know, your $500, $750 car. So if that's what you intend to spend on this, go ahead and pass. But it's always open, doors open Tuesday through Saturday, 9 to 5. Come out and check a look at this one. This is absolutely a stunning vehicle. It is a very rare vehicle, and it's definitely a very exclusive feeling when you drive this car. It's incredible. So, Rob with CTM Unlimited Auctions. We're located just south of Olympia, north of Centralia, not too far from the Lucky Eagle Casino off of I-5. Give us a call if you have any questions, 360-273-5808. Thanks for watching my videos. Come out and check out this very, very special car. Put it in your driveway day before Valentine's Day, so give this to your significant other. All right, thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.